Now, our motto obtain the Norton equivalent at the terminal AB. This is AB terminal. Our motto determine Norton equivalent. Norton equivalent means suppose that network and that is A and B. If this one is converted like IN and RN, okay, that is ZN. That is ZN. That is AB terminal corresponding to AB terminal. Clear or not? So what is our motto? Means this network corresponding to make like this one. So how can determine IN? So first of all we have focus on IN. This one, okay, plus minus, that is 80 at the angle 0, that is 8 ohm minus J2 ohm, and that is J4 ohm. Okay, now this one, that is J6 ohm, and that is 2 ohm. This one is a short circuit, ISC. This is equal to IN. Clear? So how can determine IN? First of all, corresponding to AB terminal, that is short circuited. Okay. Let us consider current I1 here, and this one is ISC. If you assume corresponding to I2, okay, clear or not? And that is J ohm, mutual impedance, that is J ohm. Clear? Now voltage across this one is 0, so no current flow in 2 ohm resistance, so this one is a dummy resistance. So you can replace this one, you can remove 2 ohm resistance, also remove. So I2 this is equal to ISC. Clear? Or you can say that IN. Clear? Now how can determine? First of all determine IN. This one dot polarity, so we are focused on, I know that corresponding to dot terminal. How can resolve this type of problem? I have already discussed. First of all, make box like this one, that is J4 ohm and that is J6 ohm. Direction of current I1 plus minus, sorry, dot, okay, that is J4 ohm, so that is J4 I1 and here J4 I2. Okay, first of all make like this one. Dot polarity decided direction of current I1 corresponding to here plus to minus, so here plus to minus, here plus to minus. Okay, now another way, direction of I2 like this one, dot, okay, plus to minus, direction of current I2 move from plus to minus, so dot here negative terminal, so this one negative and this one is a positive, so here upper plate negative and lower plate is positive. So if you make here upper plate negative, lower plate positive, J, sorry, 4, no 4, that is only J. Okay, only J, that's why J into I2 and here J into I1. Clear? Now after that apply KVL in loop 1 and after that in loop 2. Okay, so first of all apply KVL in this loop, minus 80 at the angle 0 plus 8 minus J2 plus J4 into I1 minus JI2, this is equal to 0. This one is written as J plus J2 I1 minus j I2, this is equal to 80 at the angle 0, equation number 1. Okay, sorry, this one is a positive. Now apply KVL in this loop. Minus 2 plus minus j I1 plus j 6 I2, this will equal to 0. So I1 this will equal to 6 I2, equation number 2. Okay, so I1 this will equal to 6 I2. Now 8 plus j2 into I1 into 6 I2 minus j I2, this will equal to 80 at the angle 0. Okay, now I2 this will equal to 80 at the angle 0 divided by 80 at the angle 0 divided by 48 plus j 11. So 48 plus 11 j, this one is converted into 49 point something, that is 80 at the angle 0 divided by 49.244 at the angle 12.9. Okay, so 80 divided by 49.244, that is 1.6245 at the angle minus 12.9 ampere. Okay, that is IN 1.6245 ampere. This is I2. I2 is nothing, that is ISC, and ISC this will equal to IN. So IN is 1.6245 at the angle minus 12.9 ampere. Clear? Now next target, it is clear or not? That is IN. First of all make it. After that, now next target is our next target is Zn. How can determine? So first of all make circuit again, that is 8 ohm minus j2 ohm, and that is j4 ohm. Again this is dot polarity, it means dependent sources are also available. So this one is removed. First of all, independent sources are removed. Okay, voltage source is independent voltage source, consider as a short circuit. After that, this one make, that is 2 ohm, that is 2 ohm. Here if you consider 1 ampere current source, if you consider 1 ampere current source, clear? If you consider 1 ampere current source, then that is V. Okay, that is V. And what is the, this one is equivalent of actual V, this equal to 1 into ZTH. So next target is determine V. Next target is determine V. Okay, now this one is a current source 2 ohm, and that is 1 ampere. Okay, corresponding to this one is V. If this one is converted into voltage source, then that is 2 ohm, and that is 2 into 1 plus minus 2 volt, and V this equal to like this one, not V this equal to 2 volt, because of combination of this one and this one. Okay, so if this one is removed, finally written as 2 plus minus, that is 2 volt, and that is 2 ohm, and here that is V. Okay. Now if you just consider I1 and this one is consider I2. Okay, I have already discussed, if consider I1 and if consider I2, here negative, here positive, and positive, here negative. I have already discussed in previous during IN. Okay, first of all make it, after that we have focus on, clear or not? And that is J I2 and here J I1, and that is J 6 ohm. J 6 ohm. Okay. Now next target. Our motto. What is our motto? Our motto: determine V. How can determine V? If you first of all determine I2. If you determine I2, then we have determined V because apply KVL. Okay. Now loop. Apply KVL in loop 1, that is 8 minus J2 plus J4 into I1 minus J I2, this will be equal to 0. So 8 plus J2 into I1, this will be equal to J I2, equation number 1. Okay, from this one apply KVL in this loop. Minus J I1 plus J 6 plus 2 I2 plus 2, this will be equal to 0. Okay. Now what about I2? I2 is put here, minus, no, our motto determine I2. So if you don't worry, J I1 plus J 6 plus 2, I2 is 8 plus J2 divided by J into I1 plus 2, this will be equal to 0. Okay. So J into J are minus J I1 plus 2 plus 6J, that is minus 2, 8 by J, 1 by J, this will be equal to minus J, 1 by J, this will be equal to minus J. So two minus J 8 into I1 plus 2, this will be equal to 0. Clear? So what about I1? If you determine I1, then 2 into 2 minus J plus 2 into 2 4 J 16, that is J 12 plus 48 into I1, this will be equal to minus 2. Clear? So I1, this will be equal to minus 2 divided by 48 plus 4, 52. Okay. Minus 4 and minus 1, minus 5. This is I1. Clear? This is I1. If this value put here, then got I2. Okay. So I2, this will be equal to minus 2 8 plus divided by 52 minus J5 divided by I. Okay. Minus 1 is also written as I square. So I and I square are cancelled. So I2, this will be equal to J square, that is minus 4 plus 16 divided by 52 minus J5. Okay, now with the help of calci, minus 4 plus 16 I, this one is written as 16.492 divided by, sorry, at the angle, sorry, 16 minus 4 plus 16 J, it is written as 16.4 at the angle 104.03 divided by 52 minus 5J. If this one is written as 52.23 at the angle minus 5.4. Okay, now 16.492 divided by 52.23, that is 0.3157 at the angle 104.03 plus 5.4, that is 109.43, that is I2, that is I2. Okay, now minus 2 plus minus V plus 2I2 plus 2, this will equal to 0. So V this will equal to 2 plus 2 I2. I2 is 0.3157 at the angle 109.43. Okay. So 2 into 0.3157 like this one at the angle 109.43 plus 2 at the angle 0. If this one is written 1.8, we got 1.886 at the angle 18.39. Okay, 1.88 at the angle 18.39, that is V, and this V this is equal to VT, ZTH, or you can say that is 1.886 at the angle 18.39 ohm. Okay, ZTH and Zn both are same thing, so Zn is 1.886. okay, approximately you can say that 8.9, or better to write same result 18.39 ohm. This is the final answer, and In is also like this one. Okay, first of all make it.